Hello everyone, I'm going to record a video and show you how I changed my the tailgate light on my Mercedes GLB. The car is from 2022, and a couple of weeks ago I got a message that the tailgate doesn't work. I tried to check the fuse box, everything, because since these are LED, I expected much longer lifetime for the light by itself. But then I couldn't find the issue. I went to the workshop. They showed me this, basically, that this is the old one. I changed it already. I didn't have any plan to record the video from the beginning, but then I thought it might be useful for others, so give it a try. I'm not really a professional on recording videos, but hopefully it will help someone who will face that, if someone faced the same issue. So what they showed me is this moisture inside the lamp, and then they said perhaps there is a small crack somewhere in the light that caused this issue. The moisture went inside and then it kills the LED. I actually got the moisture in the other light, corner light. Let me show you. So this is the new one. I changed it already. And you see here I also got the moisture here, and perhaps it's a matter of time that one also dies. I asked them to change this in workshop, but they actually asked for a lot of money. They said it's like less than half an hour, but they asked for huge money. So I decided to do it by myself, and I couldn't find the instruction. I just accepted the risk and tried to do it by myself. So what we need to do is basically removing this part from the tailgate here. That's the starting point. And to do this, you need to remove this plastic part from the from here. So I can show you how it looks like when they are in place. Yeah, like that. Right. So if you look here, there is a gap here, and you can use a sharp tool to just push it out. I use this set of tools. I bought it from Amazon, and it seems quite helpful. It helped me a lot. So you need to remove this one from both sides, and then once you remove it, then inside this you have this metal, I don't know, we call it clip or pin, whatever. They are sitting here, so you need to use a tool to squeeze them and then take them out. So I just show you how it looks like. You push it in now. Yeah, so from the back side they look like that. So you need to basically squeeze this, and then from the other side, and then take it out. Once you take it out, then you can use these tools, like one of these things, for example, here, and then press it below this, and then just push it. It comes off quite easily. But the thing which you need that you need to be careful is this connections for the tailgate bottom light, and then I also have a hook. So these are like two connections. That's not difficult to take it out. It was quite easy. You see there is like some pins here. You push it and then take it out, and here also. And then once after that, you need to remove this part. So this looks like, let me see, this is basically like that. So that part is for the close to the glass, and here is close to the outside of the tailgate. One thing you need to be careful is that these two, they are actually going here. One here and one here, and to remove this, you need to first remove this part, which is close to the glass. Take it out, and then push the whole thing towards the car or the glass, and then it will come off. There are like, you have these pins here that you need to take them out, and the way I use this tool actually to take it out, but I think it should be possible to use any sharp tool. This is more safer and easier. So the way it works, when it's in place, you put it here, right? And then you press it. It will take it off. So, or maybe in this direction. And then when you take it out, then you reach to the light. Give me a second. I'll just put these things in place. And then removing the light, I think it's the easiest part. Oops, sorry guys. So the way you take it out is just unscrew these things, right? When it's in place, you unscrew these things, and then the light get loose, and then you can take it out from the other side. And then here you have this connection also for the light, and it's easy to remove it. I put this screw here and then slightly press it, and then it comes off quite easily. And then to put the new one, then you need to first put this plastic part in place, right? This is basically the one that keeps the light in place and tight it. So you see these things, they go below this metal part here, and then when you screw it, they will just get tighter and then keep the light in place. So you need to put it in place first, and then put the light from the other side on top of it. And there are 2 pins you need to be careful, like this one here, and then there is one on the other side here. Once they are in place, first it seems a little bit loose, but then when you tight the screw here, the knob, then things will get it will get tighter. Yep, and now I'm in the stage to put everything back. I don't expect a lot of trouble. I think it should be relatively easy, but we'll see. And that's it. I hope that helps you. I'm sorry, I'm not really a professional YouTuber. I just thought maybe this is helpful for others if they get the same issue. Yeah. Good luck.